TR 101.9, my only radio for live, 11 minutes before 5 o'clock in the PM. Tamang oras sa buong Pilipinas. Yan ang playlist ng ating suki na si Sergio Gonzalez ng Dasma Cavite. Biglang Liko ni Ron Henley, Calzada by Sam Concepcion. At etong Bawat Daan ni Ebe Dancel. And speaking of Ebe Dancel, etong susunod niyong maririnig, syempre, this song, of course, from Sugar Free, ay mula sa panulat ng napakagaling na si Ebe Dancel. At ako'y sayang nga talaga wala na Sugar Free. Pero anyway, maganda naman ang kinahinatnan ng kanilang mga career. The reason why I'm playing this song right now sa ating background ay dahil noong pong araw ng Sabado, hindi pala araw, noong gabi ng Sabado, merong pong nagpatindig ng ating mga balahibo. At meron pong talagang nag-entertain sa atin ng husto at kanyang ipinaramdam sa ating lahat. Sa pamamagitan ng kantang ito, na deserving siyang maging kauna-unahang Grand Tourist Star ng I Love OPM. At kasama natin siya ngayong hapon. Please help me in welcoming the one and the only Johan Huang from I Love OPM.
Hello! Hello, I'm Johan from I Love OPM.
Ang lakas ng sigaw ni Papi Charles, talagang support. At syempre, ang kanyang mga kaibigan nandito rin. Wow. Ang kanyang mga supporters. Kanina pa sila nandito. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Anyway, Johan, kumusta ang pakiramdam? How are you feeling right now?
Super maganda and super excited. Yeah, still now. I cannot believe it.
Yeah, you are 2 million pesos richer.
2 million. You want 2 million?
No, Papi Charles.
Papi Charles?
He wants 2 million.
Sige, Papi Charles.
You want Papi Charles, right?
Manager ka, sir, bago.
Manager ka na ngayon? Sige, magpapabooking ako, magpapashow tayo sa... Anyway, first of course, congratulations to you, Johan. Kasi you gave us a very heartfelt performance last Saturday.
Yeah.
I think that's what made the judges and made the people decide that you should win.
Yeah,
Did you really prepare that? You really set your mind and your heart na yung performance mo dapat talagang medyo may drama ng konti. Ganun ba talaga yung preparation na ginawa mo?
Yeah, actually, I studied a lot and practiced a lot, and the lyrics. Yeah, yes. I know all of the lyrics. Yeah, I translated into English and Korean, and I practiced a lot, and I prepared to sing like with my real puso.
Yeah. Kasi of course, there are two versions actually of this song, one from Sugar Free and one from KZ Tandingan. And when I heard you sing it, it's like you combined the two versions. And then you came out with the Johan version.
Yeah.
And it worked very well for you, man.
Thank you po.
Salamat. So what are your immediate plans right now? Anong mga plano mo ngayon since ikaw na yung unang grand winner ng I Love OPM? Ikaw na yung Grand Tourist Star. What are your plans in the future?
Actually, as of now, I want to have an album. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have a prize. One of my prizes, contract with Star Music.
All right.
1 year, diba?
Okay.
Yeah, so they will help me with that.
Okay, so I guess we'll be seeing and we'll be hearing more from Johan in the future.
Yeah. Tagalog songs.
Oh, dapat talaga Tagalog songs. Tapos pag may event ang MOR, sama ka agad sa amin. Oh. Tanawin, ngiti ni Papi Charles. Talagang parang manager ang dating mo, pre, ha? Halika nga dito.
Alam mo, China Pops, before kasi yan nagka 2 million si Johan, nagiging guest natin to sa dating show ng 1434 Life natin. Kasi he's a good friend of mine. And at the same time, kaibigan ko yung manager niya. Kaya ngayon, Mike, kumanda ka na. Ako na manager niya, Johan.
Kita mo ikaw. Inagawa mo pa ng racket yung kaibigan mo.
Oo, kaya lumanda ka na, Mike, kasi ngayon hindi ka sumama. Alam mo pa na ako kung sumama kay Johan. Peace be with you, Mike.
Ayan. Once again, congratulations, Johan. And let me just ask you one last time. If you have any message that you would like to tell, or you would like to say, all your fans right now, because I mean, man, you're currently the hottest item right now. Sa dami ng biglang bulusok ng dami ng fans mo. So the microphone is yours. Give a message to them, whatever you would like to say. Go.
Okay, mga kababayan, thank you so much for your support in the Grand Destination last week. Watch more of our performances in the I Love OPM this Saturday after MMK. Thank you!
Ayan naman, palakpakan ulit tayo mga kapamilya, mga kabarkada. Saan man kayo nandun, kailangan pumapalakpak kayo. Hindi pumalakpak, madadaba pa uwi. Johan, thank you very much. And once again, congratulations.
Thank you po, thank you.
Johan Huang, live na live dito sa ating programang playlist mo, ang kauna-unahang Grand Tour Star ng I Love OPM. We got 6 minutes before 5 o'clock and PM. Yan ang tamang oras sa buong Pilipinas. And I gotta pause for this break. I have one more song for you guys before I actually pass on the microphone kay Joe Coloco. Kaya dyan lamang kayo, walang aalis! Kamarkada kapamilya, 5 minutes before 5 o'clock in the PM, tamang oras sa buong Pilipinas. At kailangan na nang ipasa ang mikropono. Kailangan nang ipasa ang programa. At ang pagpapasahan natin, naghihintay na. Pero bago yan, sandali Tama nga, I'm just reminding everybody para sa lahat ng mga nabitan sa performance ni Johan Huang at ang ibang mga tourist stars. Huwag kayong mag-alala dahil mapapanood nyo na ang I Love OPM, the Kababayan Playlist Concert ngayong Sabado pagkatapos po ng MMK. At syempre, hindi pa huhuli ang kanilang host na si Miss Ann Curtis na meron ding inihandang pasabog na performance. Well, I'm looking forward to that. Yes, I am. Oh. Galing kay Eddie Wow ng Kamarikina. Ito si Eddie Wow talagang daig pa politiko. Pa-picture ka rin. Bilis, pumasok ka dito at pa-picture ka dito kay Johan. Papi Charles, pakihintay mo daw si Eddie Wow. Papapicture kay Johan Oo. Yan ang pinaka nako po.